This red Bosynoy Bowling Backpack is thoughtfully laid out with dedicated spaces for a single bowling ball, a pair of shoes, and all the small accessories you normally juggle separately. The main ball compartment uses a removable cushioned base and internal securing strap, which keeps the ball from shifting and helps prevent scuffs on the way to and from the lanes. A separate top shoe section that handles very large men's sizes keeps footwear isolated so your other gear stays clean and does not pick up odors. Multiple side and back pockets, including mesh areas for ventilation, make it easy to stash towels, clothing, and personal items without everything piling into one cramped space. Well-padded shoulder straps, a stabilizing waist buckle, and a breathable back panel work together to make the backpack comfortable to carry even when it is fully loaded. Durable construction with smooth-running zippers means this bag can handle the weight of bowling gear and also double as a versatile pack for gym use or outdoor activities.